Hi everyone and Happy New Year. It's time for another book giveaway. I figure that everyone's gonna try, like we normally do in January, to start to eat healthier, and it's a great time to give away another copy of my cookbook, The Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking. I think for the new year, it's a good time to get started on these healthy habits. And if you know anything about my cookbook, it has 200 Mediterranean diet recipes. It has 3 healthy meal plans. There are chapters in here about getting started on the Mediterranean diet, what the Mediterranean diet is all about, and then of course, the wonderful recipes. So here's how to enter the giveaway. Leave a comment down below on this video about why you like the Mediterranean diet. Now, your comment is your entry into the giveaway. So you can comment as many times as you like, but make sure that it's a meaningful comment. I mean, don't be lazy and just put a smiley face or something. I want you to write to me, ask me a question, tell me what you like about the Mediterranean diet. Make it a meaningful comment so I know that you are really interested in this diet. And then I will count how many comments there are. I will use a random number generator to choose a number, and then I'll count down, and that will be the winner. So the winner will then get a copy of my cookbook, and then I put a few other goodies in the package to make it more fun. I'm not going to tell you what they are because they're a surprise. So that's all you have to do. I hope you enter the giveaway because it's a lovely cookbook, if I do say so myself. So thank you for joining me today. Let me see those comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.